What is up, friend? How you doing? So you're a beginner or whatever, and you're looking for a way to redirect your Shopify homepage to your products page, or even if you're a pro, but you don't know how you can go ahead to, redirect your Shopify homepage to products page on your Dwell team. So this video, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how you can, do your Shopify homepage redirect to products page on your Dwell team. Now let's get straight to the video. But before I do that, I want to show you something. This is my homepage right here, which is the default Dwell team homepage. All right. If I've done something to this page, yeah, I've done something to this page, and if I should refresh it now, it's going to redirect to the product page. Check it out. You see, when I refreshed, it's redirected to the products page. So if I should click this, my store again now, it's still redirected. All right. So I'm going to teach you how you can do this. And by the time you're done, if you're a beginner, you're going to become a pro because you're going to do this easily within few seconds. Trust me, within few seconds. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Yeah. All right. So to do this, what we want to do is to come here to your online store. You got to come to Teams. Okay. Right here is your Dwell team. All right. So my Dwell team rather, the Dwell team for this thing for me for the store. So now we want to click on these three dotted line. We are not clicking on edit thing. We're gonna be clicking on edit code. All right. And if you're a beginner and you're a bit scared, okay, you can just duplicate, okay, so that in case of any kind of complications. But though this is something simple, so you can duplicate it and add the effects to your duplicated theme and publish it. But as for me, this is something simple, so I'm not going to duplicate. I'm just going to edit code, just like that, okay. But normally, if you're scared, you can duplicate, all right. So that's just an advice, all right. Okay, so now the Explorer is loading. And now right here, we are in the Explorer, okay, as you can see, Dwell Explorer. So what you want to do is to click on Layout. Then you want to click on Theme Liquid. Please do not click on Base or go to another section. Just this is what I say you should click on Layout, drop down, then Theme Liquid, not Password Liquid, Theme Liquid, all right? That is what you have to click on. And the only part we want to work on is the beginning. Just we are working on these two parts here. And what we want to do is we want to paste something in between this lang and head, okay? This here and this here, those are the two things we want to we are working on. So in between here, so in case there is no gap, you can also create the gap yourself, but most of the time there is always the gap already there for you, all right? But if there is none, just create a space in between them, just like this, all right? So now so now I'm going to go ahead and paste something here, and let me show you. Right here is what I'm pasting, this script. So I'm going to give you access to the script, possibly in the I might link to it in the video description, or I might just paste this in the video description, but just know that you'll be able to get it there. All right. So this is just what you're going to copy from the video description. Okay. So I might actually link to it so that it's more easier for you to access. So I'm just going to copy this, but please, before you go ahead and start running to, paste and all that, there's still something we need to do, especially in this aspect of product name. Not too difficult. We just have to change this, okay, so that it will work on your store. All right. So that's what we want to do, because if you just paste this is a default script. All right. So I am back here on my Explorer. I'm just going to paste, and right here, you see it's pasted. So this is what we pasted. This, okay. So this is the line, this is the head, and this is the script. All right. So now the next thing we want to do is to come here to our dashboard, okay, our interface, and want to pick the product that we want to redirect. So here is a product that I have here. Actually, this is just a store that I use for tutorial. So please, I'm sure yours will be much more equipped than this. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to come to this that says search engine listing. Okay. Want to come here and want to click on edit. Okay. So you want to copy this, just the product's name. Okay. Want to come to the URL handle. So this URL handle here is where you want to come to. All right. So you want to copy this. Okay. Only that. You don't have to copy the products. This won't even copy, but you don't have to copy products, and you don't have to copy all these ones. Okay. You don't have to copy all these ones here. This is the only thing you need. Sorry. So this is the only thing you need. What's wrong? All right. So this is the only thing you need. All right. So I'm going to go back now. And I've pasted it. So I'm just going to rename just this product's name. You just want to change it to the name of the product that you want to redirect. All right. So you can see seamless launch set. So this is what you're redirecting to. All right. So yours will be another thing. Mine is seamless launch set. So I'm going to go ahead and save. But before I even save, I want to show you my homepage so that you see that everything is working perfectly. So here is my homepage. You can see this is the default Dwell homepage. All right. So if I should refresh, You see, it is still showing because it's not yet applicable. So now let me go ahead and save. Okay, I'm gonna save. I've saved already, and if I should go back now, it's still showing. Now let me refresh. It will redirect me. Boom! You see, it's done. Right. So this is exactly how you do this. So it's redirected, and you're good to go. Right. So this is how you can redirect from your home page to your product page in your Shopify Dwell team. All right. So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button because I've got several tutorials regarding Dwell team in this channel. So I'm sure a lot of you will be interested in that. You can check them out. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you. And in case you have any question, you can drop them in the comment box. I will possibly try as much as possible to respond. All right. And thank you, peace, and I wish you the best of luck in your Shopify and dropshipping e-commerce journey, whatever it is you're using this for. Best of luck to you, and I hope you get a whole lot of sales this year. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.